of you. Pleasure to have you all here and being given this opportunity to greet and welcome you in this prestigious awards ceremony on behalf of Brands Academy. As today, this evening, we are going to be rewarding and recognizing and appreciating your many contributions which you're making towards the education sector and the healthcare sector. After freedom and justice in the importance level, it is the education and the healthcare. And without education and healthcare, you cannot even maintain the freedom and the social justice. That's the importance of these two sectors, and that's the importance of all of you to this country. So welcome again, and thanks once again on behalf of Brands Academy for making this huge contribution towards the country. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I invite Soha Ali Khan Patodi, our chief guest and the one who's going to be presenting these awards. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you and good evening. First of all, I just want to say thank you for inviting me here to be a part of your celebration. It's a great honor for me to give these awards to all of you who are the achievers today, and especially in the sectors of education and health, which I've always felt to be the most vital for any human development. I know the difference that education has made in my life. It was always something that from my grandmother's time. So I think that's a reason why I'm here today as well, and to congratulate all of you, and to thank again Brands Academy for inviting me here today. Thank you.
So we move ahead, and we have now the next sector. This is the healthcare sector. So as we see who they are, I would once again like to request Soha to kindly do the honors of presenting these awards. And yes, you can all put your hands together. It's also going to be giving you a lot of massage as you put your hands together. Thank you. The next award is for the best upcoming acupuncture and acupressure clinic in North India. And the award goes to Ismail Healthcare. Ismail Healthcare, we have Mr. Mohammed Hassan Khair from Ismail Healthcare coming to receive the award. Mr. Hassan treats his patients with electromagnetic acupuncture, which is the most advanced method of acupuncturing, which can detect any disease in your palm and find out the ailments which are weak. No needles are needed, and it gives natural supplement from the Indian system of medicine, which he learned. Now he is combining it with multiple therapies in the own platform.